Let's make some old-fashioned Christmas candies. You can find these candies at any grocery store during the Christmas season. You are going to need a 1-gallon bottle of water that is empty. You are going to use the X-Acto knife to cut the top part off of the bottle. You are going to need 2 of the water bottles that the tops have been cut off to form the candy shape. You are going to take both of the water bottles and combine them. This is tricky to do, but try to get one side in and then work your way around the bottle until the one is inside the other. You are now going to take the water bottles that you combined and spray paint them. I am going to be using red and white spray paint to paint the water bottles. I spray painted the bottles in advance because the weather has been weird. I am using this bottle lid that is a bit bigger in size. The reason is you need something to hold up the water bottle's new shape. Use your drill and drill a hole in the middle. The size is going to be the size of the broom handle that you can buy from Dollar Tree. We are going to use silver foil tape to wrap around the broom handle. You can find this tape at the 99-cent store. We are also going to be using this red sparkle tape from Dollar Tree on the broom handle. Be careful with the foil tape. You need to be gentle when you are wrapping it around the handle, if not it's going to get messed up. You are going to drill a hole in the middle of the candy so the broom handle can go in. Grab the lid that we made a hole in and slide it onto the broom handle and use your glue gun to add glue so the lid is fused with the handle. Wait a few minutes and add more glue. Place the handle into the candy, turn it upside down and hold it so the glue fuses with the bottom of the candy. You are going to use a clear gift bag that you can find at Dollar Tree or Dollar General to cover the candy. Grab one side of the gift bag and twist the gift bag. Grab some ribbon and use the ribbon to tie the end. Do the same thing for the other side. Once this is done, you are going to move on to the bottom of the candy and tie another ribbon around the handle. Use whatever ribbon color you would like. Repeat the wrapping process for the other broom handles. Drill holes in the middle of the candies. Place the handle into the hole and add glue to the bottom of the candy. Turn the candy upside down with handle sticking up, so the glue fuses to the bottom and with the handle. Here is some Christmas music to keep you company while the video continues.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Had to use tape on this candy because for some reason the drill made the hole bigger than what it was supposed to be.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
You can also use duct tape to wrap the gift bags around the handles to make it more secure and sturdy. Using the duct tape makes the candy look like it's shrink-wrapped. Old-fashioned Christmas candies completed, ready to be put outside. Time to make some cotton candies. These cotton candies are going to be placed outside alongside the gingerbread house. Let's start off with some buffalo snow. We are going to spray paint the snow to whatever colors you would like. I am going to be using red, purple, green, pink, yellow, and orange. The buffalo snow is going to be turned into cotton candy. I am taking the snow outside to be spray painted. It is very cloudy outside, so there is a chance of rain. So, I won't be recording the spray painting part in case it starts raining. I don't want the camera to get wet, so be back in a few. Yes, the weather has been weird lately. Here is the snow all spray painted. We are going to start off with red and purple cotton candy. Grab some plastic broom handles from Dollar Tree to use as the sticks for the cotton candy. The first color is going to be red. Take the red tape and start wrapping the broom handle, but don't start from the top. You want to go further down because the cotton candy will cover up most of the top part of the handle. The other reason we didn't want to wrap the top of the handle is because we need a small piece of wood to hold up the cotton candy and the handle in place. You decide how big you want the wood to be. Take your square wood and drill a hole in the middle of the wood. The size of the hole is going to be the same as the top of the broom handle. That way it fits in perfectly and is sturdy. Grab a clear gift bag. You can find these bags at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Put the cotton candy inside the bag along with the broom handle. We are now going to seal up the cotton candy. Grab the gift bag from the ends and wrap the gift bag around the handle. Make sure you get it nice and tight. Grab some duct tape and start taping the gift bag onto the handle. Make sure you tape all of the gift bag. Now add some red ribbon onto the handle and you are now finished with the first cotton candy. You are going to do the same thing to the other cotton candies and the broom handles. For some unknown reason, there is no video of the other cotton candies being made. The only thing there is are pictures of the completed cotton candies. Here are the completed cotton candies. Made some small cotton candies and a 3-layer cotton candy. Since there was an extra water bottle not being used, decided to use the bottle and put the extra cotton candies inside. If you stayed here till the end of the video, a big thank you to you.